Hey Pi Showers, today I'll be going over the basic mechanics of the boat. The boat is one of your 4 accent tiles. You can place an accent tile by making a harmony. Then you can place the accent tile on the board. The boat is different than other accent tiles. It can't be placed on the board just anywhere. The boat can only affect tiles in play. If a tile can be affected by the boat, the opacity layer will change for those tiles. The boat can move all basic and special tiles by 1. When you select a tile to move with the boat, you'll see all the available spaces to move it. The boat can move a basic or special tile 1 space adjacent to it. The tile can move to any of these 8 spaces. When a boat pushes a tile to an empty space, the boat replaces that tile's original place on the board. The boat can't push accent tiles. Instead, it destroys the accent tile and itself at the same time. Now for the examples. In all of these examples, you'll be playing as the host, the one with the blue line harmonies. In this first example, all you need to do is place your red 3 where it harmonizes with both white 5s, and use your boat with your harmony bonus to destroy the knot. There are 2 ways to do this one. The first way is to move your white 5 up 1 to harmonize with your red 3, and use your boat with your harmony bonus to destroy the rock. The second way is to move your red 3 down 1 to harmonize, then use the boat to destroy the rock. In this third example, there are 2 ways to make the winning harmony. The first is to move your top red 3 where it harmonizes with both white 5s, then use your boat to push the bottom red 3 into position. The second way is the reverse of the first way. By moving the bottom red 3 to harmonize with both white 5s, then use the boat to push the top red 3 into position. For this one, you just move your red 3 where it would harmonize with both white 5, then you would use the boat to destroy the knotweed. For this example, your top red 3 can't move because the opponent's orchid is blocking its movement. To do this one, just move your top white 5 in front of the opponent's red 4 to make a harmony with your bottom red 3, and use your boat to push your top red 3 into position. In this example, you want to put your bottom red 3 where it harmonizes with both white 5, then use your boat to move your bottom white 5 to the left by 1. For this last example, this setup makes for a tricky win. It looks like your opponent is about to win, and you have no harmonies on the board. But all you need to do is move your top white 5 where it harmonizes with both red 3s, then use your boat to push your bottom white 5 into the winning position. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps you understand the basic mechanics of the boat. I'm Minky, and I hope to see you at the Garden Gate.